You, Lipa and San Fernando are both pageanteros already in your own right. Isn't it a pressure for you that now you are leveling up to the national pageants?
Of course, there's a pressure, but sabi nga nila, every pageant has different experience. So yeah, I'm so excited for the Coronation Night.
Excited yet pressured.
Yeah, pressured.
Yeah.
Yes. Out of all the pageants I joined, Misters of Filipinas is the grandest and the biggest. Of course, meron siyang ibang klaseng pressure, ibang klaseng takot. But I know I'm ready. And I'm ready for anything the universe will give to me. Kaya laban lang. Gaya ng sabi ni ma'am, laban lang. Kaya yan. Alright.
Actor, are you already happy, contented na naibigay at nailabas niyo ang inyong mga the best thing?
As of the moment po, currently I'm really enjoying my time here. I know na if it's God's plan for you, then God will also give it to you. So no matter what happened din naman po, I am really proud because I've come so far. I've already won my provincial pageant, and now to be here, this is actually a long-held dream. And just to be standing here with with other gentlemen from different provinces of our country is such also a win for me, as well as learning from them, getting to know their story, and also learning from them.
You are all equally handsome, gorgeous, debonair. What do you think will gonna make you win sa Misters of Filipinas?
Siyempre, thank you for this kind of opportunity po. Siyempre, it's so very excited. I am so very excited yet amazed po kasi sa madaming nangyari and activities and all. And I got the chance to compete with the lahat ng magagaling from different parts of the country. And what makes me win this title, siguro I am aligned with the values of Misters of Filipinas, which is masculinity with responsibility po.
Sa tingin ko po yung edge ko dito sa Misters of Filipinas, yung pagiging first national pageant ko po, ginagawa ko naman po yung best ko, yung training at yung mga tinuturo sa akin ng handler ko, sinasaisip at sinasapuso ko. Sa tingin ko, may a-apply ko siya sa laban.
Now, City, aside from that gorgeous body of yours, what do you think ay yung edge mo para ma-topple down may mga strong giant candidates that we have?
Well, aside from having this kind of body, people don't know that I do have knowledge and intellectual also at the same time. I'm not just looks, guys. I also have brains. That's all.
For me, my advantage is that I joined pageantry not just to compete, but also to share my story. Before I joined pageantry, I was a volunteer for cancer patients, PED student, and in times of pandemic, I conducted my personal community pantry to help, especially the farmers of Nueva Ecija. So for me, even I'm one of the shortest, those quality of mine make me the tallest and handsome Misters of Filipinas.
What is that strength that you're gonna pulling off sa ating coronation night?
I think my strength for this year competition is my dedication, because this year I'm more dedicated to win the title, because I've been joining a lot of pageants before and I didn't win any major title. So yeah, my dedication will make me stand out in this pageant.
As for me, my strength is my happiness. Energy is always giving out, and nararamdaman yun ng mga judges. Sa closed door interview, I'm just enjoying myself, and I can see the judges also enjoying myself, and I think that's the best part of anything in life.
Sa mga taong nasa paligid nyo, ano yung advice na yun, na pinakamagandang advice na ikikip mo hanggang sa coronation night?
It's always to enjoy every activities and always to have your brother by your side po.
Simula nung una, ine-enjoy ko lang. Dapat talaga, kung ano man yung tatahakin natin o papasukin natin, lagi nating i-enjoy at maging responsable tayo.